Active hunting with a bow or spear requires time, energy, and a significant amount of skill, like passive hunting or trapping. It's a game of intellect. It allows you to be in multiple places at once, using the animal's own patterns and habits against it. The simple snare is the most effective and versatile trap in the survivor's arsenal. In this masterclass, we will go beyond just the build. We will explore the psychology of trapping, the ethics, and the subtle art of placement that separates an empty trap from a full one. The Snare Trap, a Masterclass, Chapter 1. The Theory and Ethics of Trapping. Before we begin, a critical disclaimer. This knowledge is for a true survival scenario only. Trapping is heavily regulated, and for good reason. It is our responsibility to be humane and respectful. A snare is a machine composed of 3 parts: a noose to capture, an engine to provide power, and a trigger to release that power. The goal is a quick, humane dispatch. Check your traps often. Never let an animal suffer. This is the first rule of the Wasteland Trapper. Chapter 2. Sourcing the materials, cordage, and engine. The noose must be strong and slick. Scavenged picture-hanging wire or thin electrical wire is ideal, as it holds its shape. For a more primitive approach, reverse-twisted cordage from yucca fiber or sinew coated in pine pitch to make it stiff is effective. The engine is the power source. We will use a spring pole, a live green sapling that is bent over. The stored energy in this sapling is what pulls the snare tight. Choose a sapling that is strong enough to lift your target animal partially off the ground. Chapter 3. The Trigger, the Figure 4. A sensitive, reliable trigger is paramount. We will construct a Figure 4 trigger. This classic design uses 3 small, notched sticks that hold each other in place under the immense tension of the spring pole. We need an upright post, a horizontal bait stick, and a diagonal trigger stick. We will carefully carve specific notches into each piece so they interlock like a puzzle. When the animal disturbs the bait stick, the puzzle collapses, releasing the spring pole with incredible speed and force. We will demonstrate carving these notches in detail. Chapter 4. The Art of Placement. Thinking like your prey. A perfect trap in the wrong place is just a collection of sticks. You must learn to read the signs. Look for established game trails the small highways animals use daily. Identify choke points like a hole in a rock wall or a narrow path through thick brush. This is where you set your trap. For rabbits here in Arizona, look for trails near mesquite bushes. We will use funneling, placing branches and brush to subtly guide the animal directly into your snare's path, leaving it no other convenient option. Chapter 5. Setting and Camouflaging. Now we assemble and drive your trigger post into the ground. Bend your spring pole down and set the Figure 4 trigger under the tension. Position your noose at the correct height and diameter for your target animal. For a rabbit, about a 4-finger diameter, a hand's width off the ground. Lightly camouflage your set with surrounding leaves and grasses. Do not introduce new smells. Rub your hands in the local dirt. The goal is to make the trap look like it has always been a part of the landscape. Chapter 6. Conclusion. The Patient Hunter. You have created an automated hunter that works for you 24/7, and it is a testament to the power of intellect over strength. Remember the rules. Check your traps daily, respect your quarry, and use this knowledge responsibly. You are not just a survivor. You are a custodian of these ancient skills. If you found this masterclass valuable, snare that like button and subscribe for more. This is Wasteland Wisdom.